I'm going to give you some tips for Post-Lab 5 soap. This Post-Lab is pretty straightforward. You're going to report the pH of the 3 different soaps that you tested, your soap, somebody else's soap, and then soap that we have purchased, provided for you to test. You'll also be comparing the cleaning effectiveness of the 3 soaps. You can just keep it pretty brief. You don't need to write in complete sentences or elaborate very much. And then you'll be comparing your soap to the purchased soap in terms of soap scum formation. So for this one, you don't have to talk about the other person's soap, just your soap and the purchased soap. And then last but not least, you're going to draw the structure of a triglyceride or a triacylglyceride that has all 3 carbon chains identical to each other. Whatever you want, you can draw in line structure or condensed. It's totally up to you. And then in the last question, you will draw the soap molecule that would be produced from the molecule that you drew in problem for reacting with either NaOH or KOH, your choice. And since all 3 carbon chains are identical, that means that there's only one molecule that's being formed in this particular problem.